The Earth is home to a huge number of creatures, some of which are truly unique. Scientists have been studying the structure of living organisms for many years, but have not been able to solve most of the riddles. However, they did find out whose brains are the heaviest today. Studies have also been done on humans. Scientists took into account the ratio of brain mass to body weight of the creatures to identify the owners of the largest brains. The record holder among vertebrates was the tiny hummingbird, as it had a ratio of 1/12. Invertebrates showed different results, as they do not have a brain at all, but have a large number of nerve plexuses and endings. If we take into account the mass of nerve bundles, the best result was found in the ant. Its indicators were 1/4. A side note: if a man were brought to this ratio, his head would be simply huge, 8 times larger than at the moment, and its weight would be 20 kilograms. Researchers have conducted various experiments to see if ants are really intelligent. It turns out that these creatures, living in a collective, can receive information, analyze it and understand tasks and goals. As ants mature, they go through several stages. They gradually become familiar with new information, taking a long time to learn. But the insect's nervous system makes one doubt that they are actually intelligent. Scientists have concluded that ants are unable to think for themselves. In their opinion, the colonial cohesion of insects resembles the internet network. Several objects solve the same problem simultaneously, and separately they are not able to do it. Ants can be compared to small particles, and only together they form a single whole, a common brain. In studies on various animals, scientists have concluded that the ratio of brain to body weight has a strong influence on behavioral control. Owners of large brains are able to cope with themselves and their own emotions. For example, wolves, monkeys and dogs are much more intelligent than huge elephants. Note: if we consider terrestrial organisms, the Indian elephant has the largest brain. The brain of the whale Physeter macrocephalus also has a striking size. Its mass is more than 9 kilograms. And different whales may have significantly different parameters. Scientists have noted that the brain of the beluga dolphin weighs more than 2 kilograms, and the apheline, only 1.5 kilograms. The difference is obvious. In humans, too, the indicators are quite outstanding. Its brain mass can vary from 1 to 2 kilograms. In the course of numerous studies, it has been found that the weight of the human brain is influenced by various factors. For example, men have a better position than women, as their brain weight is on average 150 grams more. If we consider different races, however, there are no cardinal differences in this matter. At different stages of human development, the size of the brain varied greatly. For example, in Pithecanthropus it weighed about 900 cubic centimeters, and with the development of man the brain mass increased to 1,225 cubic centimeters. Today the same indicator is characteristic of a woman. Cro-Magnon men had the largest brain at 1,880 cubic centimeters. Today, its maximum mass in humans is 1,445 cubic centimeters. This is interesting. It is believed that Turgenev had the largest brain among humans. Of course, we can assume that the larger the brain in relation to the mass of the body, the more intelligent the living organism, but scientists have not yet been able to prove it. There are too many factors to take into account during research.